Hey beauties, welcome back to Beautyistic. If you've ever wanted that perfectly flush, soft glow look without the powdery feel, then you're going to want to stick around. Today, we're exploring the tarte Maneater Satin Blush Cheek Plump, a liquid blush designed to give buildable coverage with a satin finish in a lovely pink shade. When I first got my hands on this, I was immediately drawn to its sleek, easy-to-use packaging. The liquid formula promises a weightless, natural flush while adding just the right amount of glow, which is exactly what a lot of us look for when building a versatile blush routine. It's designed to blend seamlessly into the skin, so layering up or dialing back the intensity is pretty effortless. Using it was surprisingly smooth. I applied a few drops on the apples of my cheeks and blended with my fingers and a brush to see which method worked best. The color is gorgeous, a soft, warm pink that gives life to the face without looking overdone. I tested it over both bare skin and foundation, and it held up nicely throughout the day without feeling sticky or separating. The satin finish truly adds a subtle radiance, making it flattering for everyday wear as well as special occasions. One of the things I noticed right away is how buildable it is. You can start with a sheer wash and build it up to a more vibrant pop of color, which is fantastic for those who like a customizable look. The texture is smooth and it blends beautifully without tugging at the skin. That said, if you're in a rush, it does take a few moments to blend perfectly, especially if you layer too quickly. Pros? The blush is lightweight, beautifully pigmented, and incredibly blendable. The satin finish gives a natural glow, and the liquid formula allows for precise application. On the downside, it might not be ideal for those who prefer a matte look, and packaging, while chic, could be a bit messy if not handled carefully. In terms of value, Tarte products do sit on the higher end, but considering the quality of the pigmentation, blendability, and the flattering finish, it's justified for someone who loves investing in long-lasting, professional-grade makeup. Compared to other liquid blushes I've tried, this one stands out for its true-to-pink shade and buildable formula, without leaving that streaky or sticky feel some liquid blushes can have. The bottle itself feels sturdy and well-made, giving a sense of quality that you expect from a premium beauty brand. Even with regular use, the formula didn't separate or dry out, so longevity on the shelf and in use seems solid. I haven't had to contact customer service, but Tarte is generally well regarded for handling inquiries smoothly. If budget is a concern, there are some lovely drugstore liquid blushes that give a similar flush, but they may fall short in the intensity and satin finish that Tarte delivers effortlessly. For someone who wants a polished, luminous cheek in just a few strokes, the Maneater Satin Blush is definitely worth considering. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. So, final thoughts. The Tarte Maneater Satin Blush Cheek Plump gives you a radiant, buildable flush with a soft satin finish. It's perfect for anyone who loves a natural, luminous glow without fuss. If you're seeking that effortless, healthy-looking cheek, this blush truly delivers. Thanks for watching, and you can find the link to purchase this beauty in the comments or description box below. If you've tried it yourself, drop a comment and share your experience. I'd love to hear how it worked for you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful, inside and out.